Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm running a tub clean program, but I switched the baby care cycle. That means I used this tub clean almost 1.5 weeks ago. Then I chose baby care and kept the 95 degrees Celsius. So the dirt of the drum is less. So I select the cycle. Mean mean in the meantime, we'll check the temperature. 90 degrees Celsius. That's too hot. But earlier it was 94 still. It showed 94 earlier, but now it showed 90. That's too hot than you can ever imagine. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked it.